Yes, by the people power, Emakerere chapter. Yes, I declare that Lubega
Tuli Emakerere University. Bali mu nteekateeka ez'okuddamu okulonda Guild President. Olwaleero balangiridde munnakibiina ky'NUP agenda okubakwatira bendera mu kalulu ako. Tujjukira nti akalulu ka Makerere kabaamu ebbugumu lingi nnyo erireeta ne Mwami Museveni okusattira. Gye buvuddeko basobola n'okusindikayo amagye ne gatta omu ku baali baavuganya munnakibiina ky'FDC. Olw'okuba nti NUP yaleetaddewo puleesha ey'amaanyi nga baagala okuleeta embeera ey'okumalawo ebyokulonda mu yunivasite kubanga yalaba nti nabyo bisobola okumufuukira akayinja mu ngatto. Nga buli kwesimbawo ab'NUP ebifo babiwuuta buva nga tebakyakwasaako na NRM n'omu kifo kyonna mu yunivasite. N'amanya nti ate kati abavubuka nga bazuukuse nnyo. N'asala amagezi okulaba butya bw'asobola okuwera okulonda mu yunivasite gye bava basuulawo omulambo era nga gwe batta yali munnakibiina ky'FDC. Bwe bateeka ennyo embeera okugamba nti banna NUP be bakoze effujjo ne bamutta. Okutuusa amazima lwe gavaayo ne bakakasa nti abantu abatta omuvubuka oyo baali b'amagye ga SFC nga bwe bayingira mu ssettendekero oyo ne bakola effujjo ku baana. Kyova olaba nti kati okulonda kugenda mu maaso bategeka akalulu abayizi ne beerondera. Bwe bati n'olwaleero bamaze okulangirira munnakibiina ky'NUP agenda okubeera nga bakwatira bendera mu kalulu akaddako. Lubega Vincent Nsamba yawandiddwako eddusu okukwata kaadi y'ekibiina ki National Unity Platform.
Yes, by the people power, Emakerere chapter. Yes, I declare that Lubega you all had a good fight too.
Come again?
By the power vested in me by the people power Emakerere chapter, I declare that Lubega Vincent Nsamba is the guild presidential flag bearer for the people power MAC chapter with 300 votes against his opponent Okulonda Mohammed, who had 160 votes, and there were a total of 26 invalid votes. Thank you very much. By the power vested in me by the people power Emakerere chapter, I declare that Lubega Vincent Nsamba is the guild presidential Emakerere chapter with a total of 300 votes against his opponent Okulonda Mohammed.
What is very important is how we move forward from this step to the university. In there is very important. And what we wish now is probably seeing these two candidates working together. I would not wish to see anyone jubilating because no one has won an election. An election now. It is just getting the flag, and we cannot celebrate at this time. Therefore, I urge you to first sit down. It is good that we have His Excellency Muhammad around and his Nsamba is still around. But we want to be very assertive and deliberate on the barrette. This is our identity. We only came here to have this identity. It will only be given to only one person, the flag bearer. Therefore, we shall have to hear from our brother. It is a matter of conceding. Yes. When I lost the card in the match in the West, I conceded. And that's why I stand a chance in 2026 to win that constituency. It has not stopped from here. We are still moving a long way. This is freedom walk. Colleagues, what is important is between two people now. The flag bearer and the first runner. Okay? At this juncture, I want to call upon the candidates to come here. Both of them. Handshake between these two candidates. And if probably right, you can still hug each other because I know you have been friends and you still run these elections together. Do you agree? Thank you so much. That's what we do as people power because we stand with the oppressed. And our enemy is only one, the oppressor. Therefore, I want to congratulate you two who have come to the process that I really believe it is a free and fair process. However, we are still tarrying up to the sheet because of time, and we shall communicate. I want to repeat myself. No one has won an election yet. Our target is getting a good president at the Hill. And I believe with the powers that you have invested in the candidate, in the flag bearer, he will automatically become the good president of Emakerere University. Therefore, I want us to take only one action. To know the next step. It is very, very important. And I want to tell you, conceding is not a problem, and it is not a crime. However, I know most of you have elders, ancestors behind you, but probably I want to request you to use now your brains, your consciousness for this, for the struggle, for the revolution. Thank you so much. I want to first give the microphone, the first runner, who will invite the flag bearer in order. Thank you so much.
I thank God. Fellow Muslims, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to be so precise because I want to go for prayers. I congratulate my colleague, but most importantly, I congratulate my team, and I congratulate everyone that believes in Mukwaya Muhammad. I believe I stand for my principles, and I stand for what is right. Yes. In 3 years that I've served in Emakerere University, you will never hear anything that deter, that deflects, that go against my principles. And I remain Mukwaya Muhammad, who stands for principles. Mukwaya Muhammad, for God and my country. I build for the future. Congratulations, my brother. But most importantly, congratulations, my team. Congratulations, my supporter. Thank you so much. Wow, I take this opportunity granted to me by the commander, the head of institutions, the city, David, to invite the flag bearer, Honorable Lubega.
Hello. This is Lubega Vincent Nsamba, aspiring new president, Emakerere University, and I've just been declared as the flag bearer officially of the People Power Movement. I want to thank you, comrades, that have respected the party process. Yes, sir. I want to thank each and everyone that have freed their schedule to see that they are part of this historical moment. I'm very privileged and honored for having been provided with the latitude to share my leadership ethics and also find my journey in leadership under this People Power Movement. I do not take this privilege for granted. Thank you so much, comrades. Thank you so much for the efforts. Thank you so much, my team. Thank you so much, each and everyone who believes in Lubega Nsamba.
Is an identity. This is how we are identified. And let me take this honest time to dress the man as a freedom fighter. We pray that this is going to be a revolutionary government.
Yes, sir.
We have seen guilty presidents,
Yes, sir.
but this is going to be very unique. Maybe we had the Framorians one, but we are imploring you with the tools of the party to go and fight and stand with the oppressed. And we know through Emakerere University, we can unseat the tyrant in this country.
Omujja Nup Eronze.